Hello, good morning mga kabers. Welcome to my channel, Karildags FT. So, here we are. We gotta prepare a special dish today. So, let's go mga kabers. At ito na nga mga kaberks. Tingnan natin kung ano available natin dito. Ayan. Ito mga kaberks. There you go, hipon. So tara na. So here we go mga kaberks. Ito po yung ating ingredients. So we have a flour here, cornstarch, we have salt and pepper, we have egg, we have ginger for our dipping sauce, we have maureen. There's a little alcohol from this type of for our dipping sauce. We have the soy sauce, we have the sugar, and then we have the ice. Of course, we have the whisk here. And then we have a bowl. And of course, our shrimp. So a dish for today is like we're gonna make a tempura, shrimp tempura. I already put salt and pepper and they're already, mix it. So let me show it to you to break the bones. And then cut it like side like that. All the way on the top and then the bottom. That's like cross cut mga kaberks. And then cut it like this, the bone. There you go. Just break the bone so it can get straight like this, and put it like here. And then we gotta put cornstarch later. Okay, we'll do the rest, mga kaberks. So stay tuned. So here we go mga ka-Berks. Tasting na tayo. Siyempre, bago mag-tasting, at siyempre, unang kagat ay para po sa inyo. Meron tayong quotes for today. Ang quotes for today, if you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. Ayan. Kaya, ang sinasabi ko sana po, sa aking opinion is, kontento lang tayo kung anong meron tayo. At kung gusto nyo na ma-achieve, syempre, kailangan natin i-workout yan. Syempre, yun lang po ang aking opinion. So, pag-upload po nito, is sagutin nyo na kung sino ang may honor ng quotes natin for this video. Syempre, ito na ang ating sausawan at ang ating tempura. So, ayan na po. Sa unang bite, para po sa inyo. Napakasarap po mga kabal. Ayan ha. Pakalutong po mga kabal. Siyempre, pangalawang kagat naman para sa akin. Ito po. Napakalasa po mga kabers kasi lagyan natin ng salt and pepper. Napakasarap po. Like, share, and subscribe. Caritas FT po. Hanggang sa muli po. Maraming salamat. Bye!